If you have been struggling on how to make the perfect round puff puff, a very fresh, good puff puff that have feeling like the one you are seeing on your screen, watch this video to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to be making puff puff, party puff puff, a very round, well-filled puff puff. So on my bowl, I'm going to be adding 2 kg of flour. So after getting the 2 kg of flour, the next thing is for me to add in my sugar, which is 500 grams of sugar. So the next thing is my yeast. I'll be using 3.5 tablespoons of yeast. Then I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon nutmeg. So I'm going to give this a very thorough mix before adding in the warm water. So what makes your puff puff to soak oil? What makes it not to have filling inside, not to get the round shape? I'm going to be explaining everything before the end of this video. So the bowl is very small, I can't use that bowl, so I'm going to be using this butter bowl to mix my batter. So I'll pour in the dry ingredients into the rubber, then I'll add in my warm water. I used 9.5 cups of warm water. Please, warm water that you will not feel the hotness in your hand. Please, when you add hot water to anything that you add yeast, the hot water will kill the yeast. Warm water is okay for this. So I'm going to give that a thorough mix, beat it very well. So I'm not going to make this batter to be runny. When you make it too runny, after the batter have proof, it will be too watery that you will not be able to get the round shape very well, and your puff puff will not have any filling. You can see how it is. You can see the texture that I'm going for. It is not too thick and it is not runny. So you can see the texture. So that is all. I'm going to cover this and allow it to proof. And please don't allow your butter to overproof. When your butter overproof, it tends to soak oil. So I'm going to leave that for 30 to 35 minutes. When it is in a warm place, 30 minutes is okay for your puff puff to rise. You can see this after 30 minutes, my bucket is already filled up. So you see what we have is not runny, meaning it's not watery and it is not thick like buns. So this is the perfect texture for your puff puff. So I've already heated my oil, so I'll be cutting it in. Like I said, this is a party puff puff. I'm going to be cutting it little by little until I'm done with all the batter. You see how immediately I cut it in, the buns, the puff puff will come up. It's not sinking down. If your oil is too hot, please bring down the fire a little bit so that everything will done through. Puff puff doesn't take time to get fried. It is very easy, very simple to put together with less ingredients. If you have watched to this extent, please hit the like button, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. You can see this is the first batch coming out. So I'll continue with the process until I am done with all my batter. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and comment down below if you have any question. Engage me on the comment section and I will be ready to answer all your questions. We are done with the puff puff. You can see how it's having filling. It's not empty inside. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed. Bye.